This video will show you how to set up your live eSessions in your new eAchieve course. The button that is currently in the menu called Live eSessions is just a placeholder as we didn't have access to Blackboard Collaborate when the template course was created. So we'll need to delete that button in order to set up our sessions correctly. To delete this button, click on the Edit circle next to the Live eSessions button and delete it. Click OK to verify that you want to delete this button. Now we need to set up a new button for your live eSessions. Click on the plus button and go to Tool Link. Name the tool link Live eSessions and change the type to Blackboard Collaborate Scheduling Manager. This is what allows you to actually create the sessions you'll be using for your students. We want to make sure that this is available to users and click Submit. Then we need to put the button in the order in the menu where it belongs, so scroll it up to above Recorded eSessions underneath Paste Chart. Now, to make sure that the students and you have access to Collaborate, you need to set the tools in the Customization menu. Scroll down to Customization, go to Tool Availability, and make sure that all of the Blackboard Collaborate tools are selected. When you've selected all those, click Submit. You'll see now that they're all verified, click on Cancel. And now we can go about creating our actual eSession. So to create your eSession for the semester as your live class, click on the Live eSessions button, go to Create Session, give your session a title. I'm going to call this one Spanish 3. And then look through the settings to make sure that you have it set up the way that you want to. You want this set as a course so that all the students in your course can attend. If you'd like to share it between classes, you can click on the Shared button. This might be helpful where you have help sessions between multiple teachers or if you're combining eSessions together. For the schedule, we're going to set this up for the full semester as we start. So the start date would be September 4th. And 6 a.m. works just fine. The end date would be the end of first semester, as this is in my first semester course, so click on the calendar. The end of first semester is in January, and we'll just say January 18th. Down in part 3, you can leave recording mode at manual, set max simultaneous talkers as 1. This is the way that it used to be set up in Illuminate so that only one person can talk at a time. The max camera setting is up to you. How many cameras do you want to be able to see? You want to make sure that it is supervised, that students do not have all permissions because you'll need to give them to them when you get into the session. You can choose about raising hand on entry. And then because we're setting this up as a full semester session, you're not going to want to click on the Enable Grade Center integration because as it's only one session, it wouldn't match and wouldn't sync up with the gradebook. And then we click Submit. Now when we're back at the page with the sessions on it, we can change the date to the first day of school. So I can see my session to make sure that it was set up correctly. So we click on September 4th, click the end date to September 4th, and click Go. And now we can see my session is there. Once we would get to September 4th, that session would become live so that I could join that session as a teacher or a student. And now if I change the start date to September 4th and click Go, we should see my session there. Let's try and see if we go to September 5th and see if my session is there.